G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a how-to video on the RCBS 502 powder scale. The RCBS scale runs from 0 to 505 grains. Most of my reloading is done at under 100, and I'm about to run through what I do to load some bullets. First, we'll go over the scale and I'll show you the features. This is the level point. When you're throwing powder, you actually want that to sit exactly level, exactly how it is. It's currently set at 0 grains and 0 in the points. Here we have the leveling foot. This winds up and down to make this bar level. And at this end, we have the hopper where you pour your powder into. Once the scale is level, I like to make sure that the scale is actually measuring correctly. So here in front of the scale I have a 55 grain projectile, so I'm going to set my scale at 55 grains. Now it's sitting at the very bottom, as you can see. I'll drop the projectile in the scale. You watch it level up, around, spot on. Alright, now we can actually go on to powder throwing. I'm going to throw a load, and let's call it 25 grains. So I'll set it to 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, just like that. You can see that the thing's at the bottom again. Now I take a teaspoon of powder, and I pour it in. Oh, too much. Let's try that again. Just a little too much. There we go. Now we'll take this powder and pour it into the case. That, folks, is the RCBS powder scale. Thanks for watching.